Welcome to the in front of me ZTE Blade A31, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sound section. Now just scroll a little bit down here to the advanced section, and here you'll see the ringtones. Now just tap here to default notification sound. Here we had selected the drop. We can just change it to another one, just which you will like. For example, I'll go for the last one, then just click here to done to save the changes, and now we can see that we just successfully changed our notification sound on our ZTE phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.